Once I've found a source I want to use, there are several things I can do using Magnolia. I want to make sure that I'm signed in. So when you're not signed in, up here there will be a little notice for you to click on to sign in, and you'll want to sign in using your Petal Schools Google account. Once you're signed in, you can pull up a text and it gives you several options. I'm going to pull this one up in HTML. So I see the source, I read it, and I decide that I want to use it. And so once I'm signed in, I can save it to my Google Drive. I can add it to a folder. I could print it if I was connected to a printer. I could email it to myself. But as a writer, one very important thing I can do is click on Cite. And once I click on Cite, it's going to give me several different options for citing my source. Now, this is where it's important to know what documentation style you're using. If you're writing a paper about Hamlet, chances are you're writing it for an English teacher, and she's requiring MLA. And so I scroll down to MLA. I simply highlight the citation, and I copy it, and then I can paste it directly onto my works cited page. You can see when you scroll through that in addition to MLA, they give you choices like Turabian and APA, which is commonly used in your sciences and in your history classes. So citing your source using Magnolia is very easy. Now, in addition to citing a source on an HTML document, I can create notes. So I'll open up this text box and type notes to help me remember what I was thinking as I read the source, and save it. And again, as long as I'm signed in, it'll save it directly on this source that I've decided to use. If I pull it up as a PDF, all of those functionalities will be available other than creating notes. So those are some of the nice perks of finding sources in Magnolia. In addition to your sources being reliable and pretty credible, you'll have different functions you can perform once you've chosen your sources.